Sawed up. Mr. Potty Mouth's back.
Hey, Snoopy Stunts is back.
The engraving god, Manic Machining, and Betty White. Tonight is just a very straightforward video. I'm gonna put a bunch of new parts on Betty, and we're gonna test ride it probably tomorrow if I can get it done in time. Bunch of little stuff. We're gonna do the subframe, the cage, and we're gonna shave up the bracket just a hair so it's got enough clearance.
Not bad though.
Trial and error,
It's
man.
mounted up, it rolls. We do need to do the swing arm saver sooner or later. Or you look so blurry. You look like a murder suspect. All right, now we're there. It's a new subframe, scrape bar. Yeah, but I figured if I'm gonna mount my scrape bar flush and even, it's gonna be at this house and not in my dad's shop unsupervised. That tank though,
That shit is
it just
red.
flows.
Damn.
Yeah, I wish we could start a fire in the street, burn this cage tonight. How long it would take to melt?
You can't put that up, dude. You can't do that.
Why?
Because you might get hit with legal action.
Wow, it's crazy. We got an 8-town custom box. I thought it was tripping. It was like tape was already cut, but he like glued the cardboard together. That's cool. Quality. What do we got here? Alright. I don't know what this is. Probably crossbar. Yes! Shop rags.
Nice.
Freebie! Freebie!
Oh, two of them!
Freebie! Stickers!
Ooh.
Cardboard!
Oh.
Look at that. Now we're getting to business, people.
More shop rags.
Got the giveaway bike, some new metal. It's gonna be your cage. I don't even know what the color is yet, so I just got it in raw for now. We're gonna get it powdered with the swing arm and the frame to match everything.
Someone is getting swollen.
Yeah.
Facts.
Got that hookup. It's gonna be naughty. Oh my gosh, dude.
More.
Give him to the fans!
Dude, we are
Yes.
fucking.
Yes.
What a treat.
They got the good one, the microfiber.
Shout out to A.
Bro, it's like every color. We got blue, white, green.
Almost at the America.
Oh, this feels
There
right.
we go.
That Betty White cage, people.
Oh,
that's good. Some of these bright old stickers, man. Chill, chill.
She ain't so much Betty White no more, man.
I know.
What's the new name gonna be, Mike?
It's still Betty White. Oh, pucks on deck, people. Why would I lie? Big thanks to Adam hooking it up. I see the t-shirt in there somewhere. It's in there somewhere, I swear it is. No t-shirt, but thanks Adam, man. Can't wait to put these parts on. So what we were trying to figure out, guys, since this was
It
the
looks
first...
like a big gap between the swing arm right here and this where the bracket is, which would mean that I screwed up and didn't make it thick enough. But
Wait, this is an OEM 0304 caliper bracket.
so we're at just under 3/4, like 0.745 of an inch. We came in at like 730, so 15 thousandths, which is, I don't know, I don't think you can get that much. Okay, a human hair is 3,000, so that's like almost 4 hairs.
Okay.
4 or 5 hairs. So that's not the problem. So I think you're right. We just gotta deck a little bit off of here, so we'll have to change the design a little bit, push that stuff deeper. We'll just kind of knock it off right now and see if it works.
This will be the ugly test bracket that's going to be put through abuse.
Because there's like some nasty weld that I didn't kind of think about in here just from factory.
Yeah, this right there.
So that's kind of in the way.
Whoops.
This is why I tell people. People ask me all the time. They're like, hey man, can you make a bracket for this bike? And I'm like, I need the bike in my garage.
Yeah.
This is what happens every time.
Yeah. Well, that's why I ended up bringing it tonight. That way Jacob could help me put it together. So we're about to get this stank subframe off. Yeah, by the way, you better follow Manic Machining.
Just look at the ugga-duggas he's having to put in. You had this thing totally stripped down, didn't you? Like harness and everything.
Yeah, when I rebuilt the frame.
Yeah, so you probably tucked it on.
I made a YouTube video on it. I can't remember the process.
Let's go back and watch it, dude.
DankWheelie remembers how to put his bike back together off his own video. Alright guys, I had to switch over to the Osmo because my camera died and I forgot to bring batteries for it, so yeah.
What is that?
It's the Osmo, my guy. Let me flip it. There we go.
Whoa, that is crazy.
Yeah, you gotta be a little further back to film stuff. But look at Betty White. She's looking pretty terrible. But we got the old subframe off. About to rip into the new one and test fit this bracket real quick.
We hacked a little off.
Jake was freaking out. He wanted to do it on camera, so here we go. This thing has been through it, guys. So this is bent. This is really bent. I used to take like a piece of bar or like piece of wood and like bend it up. But this is what I step on right here when I'm doing seat standers and it just gets crushed. Like, look at, I think it's so clapped. My main motivator is this freaking powder coat. Look at this. You can peel your powder coat off. That's cool. Sub cage, black 12 bar, black subframe. I think it'll look great offsetting all the gold I have on the bike. You really want a gold bike until your bike's gold, and then you kind of want to tone it down a little bit. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna try. We're gonna show you the jigsaw puzzle of putting in the bracket.
Now we're gonna hopefully change this.
First try.
It's too funny to not show.
Yeah.
So, ready?
Slide it down, up, over, under, and through.
And, oh. We stuck.
Oh! Easy peasy. Alright, we'll do one more time. Clean slate. Go down, over, under, up.
Oh, perfect.
I like it though. Our own custom installation.
If you can't do it, you don't have the sauce.
Just refer back to my video of me putting it on and keep giving me views. Quick update. Attempt number 3. Getting her all snugged up.
That'd be a record, dude.
We did get the subframe on though. Thing looks so nice. Just got all the wires all packed in. Battery hooked up.
Alright, nice and smooth.
No rubbing. You know what? You know how I got this tire? Believe it or not, I didn't buy it.
How'd you get it?
It's expired, so legally the dealership's not able to sell them. Foot brake test.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Grabbing like tits. We wanted to be nice and thick, but at the end of the day we had to trim a little bit off, but as you can see, we still got a lot of chunk down in here. And this is just a test bracket. It's not the prettiest, but now we got the finished shape. We can do all nice pretty cuts on the next one. But for now, we're gonna test it out on Betty. And it'll go on the giveaway bike once it's passed the tests. Ew. All right, so we're gonna put the rest of the stunt parts on, and Betty White will be ready to test out tomorrow with this new handbrake bracket.
Texas size titanium, baby.
And we're not gonna use Loctite because Dank scrapes are weak. So far, we've got one side of the cage. Oh, look at the way the tack's sitting in the cage. Snazzer. It's a mess. You know that hour where everything's just scattered because you're almost done with 20 different things. Dude, that color, look how much it pops. Shout out to RSC, the color is so much more vibrant on the screen. Alright guys, comment giveaway in this video and I'll pick one lucky winner to win the subframe welded nut innovation.
Special tool.
Someone's gonna win this. Might be a game changer. So we have the cage installed. Sub cage, subframe. We just gotta pop the tank back on, and then when I get back home tomorrow, we're gonna patch up the stator cover until my new one comes in like Wednesday, I think. But he's like, it should be here like Monday, bro. I'm like, nah, you're lying. This is how you put the pucks in a cage.
There you go, stunt secret right there. Betty White looking nice with that black subframe.
it takes.
No, you're not even close.
Am I in? Am I in? I've done this plenty of times. What are you talking about?
There you go. Don't scratch the paint, man.
Don't touch the trim. Don't tell anybody about this. Oh,
Dude, you do it again.
why do you have your fingers on it? That's
I'm trying to make sure you don't scratch the piss out of your tank.
No.
Trying to teach you to don't put your fingers there.
You just keep.
He's got those sunglasses so you can't. We can have Bernie status right now.
Probably the dopest logo.
Yeah. Tank. Making a fire. Making a fire with his son.
My Indian father taught me how to wrench. He called me stripped eagle. It's amazing.
Look at her, she's nice.
It's nice, good. Clean it up. Get it out of here.
Maintenance.
If only I fixed my cage, it wouldn't be leaking oil. Your lack of maintenance got me here, Mike.
Maintenance got me to this point. I should have paid attention when I seen the signs.
I never got the maintenance light on my bike. Never popped on.
I never got that light that said check stunt cage.
Dude, this thing is super nice, dude. This clutch lever.
Guys, she's looking so solid now. All the way to the 12 bar. So that's gonna wrap up tonight's vlog, everybody. It's super late, we're super tired. I'm about to edit this video and post it as soon as I can. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, we'll be doing a test ride. And we'll see how it goes. But if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Follow Manic Machining and Prozac. And like always, keep it dank. Later. I'm trying to be quiet because everybody's sleeping.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep